Okay, so this is my source presentation for this week. My topic is going to be on the war on drugs, and I chose this topic because I'm a criminal justice student, and I think it's interesting to see how the war on drugs affected the incarceration rates. My article I chose was titled U.S. Drug Control Policy, A Cultural Perspective, and it explores the methods that were proposed to help decrease the amount of drugs that were in the United States. They were going to do it through police and military presence, not just in the United States, but in other countries as well. And they were focusing on keeping them out of the country, and if they did get in, keeping them away from the public. It also talks about the feedback that the public gave about the fact that it really wasn't that effective. And I think this is going to be useful to my project because it really explores what drugs were most popular at the time and what they did. And it explored all the different methods that were in place at the time. And it also explores different people's options or opinions at the time about the war on drugs. And it's interesting to see the methods we use now compared to them then, and the different opinions that they had back then and how the opinions have changed now. And that's my citation.